the reproductive system in flowers, reproductive system in plant. In plant, we are going to discuss about a special flower. The name is hibiscus flower. It is also known as Jaswanti's flower. In Marathi, when you will see, when you will talk in local language, it is known as Jaswanti. Here, it is also known as China rose twins. You can see this flower. You will find this rose, this China rose, or you can say hibiscus flower, in front of the Ganpati's temple. It is very famous. The people they buy and those who are the devote of Ganpati, they must be knowing. As per my instruction, you must have kept this with you as present. When I do, you will simultaneously do with me same thing, and we will study the different parts of the hibiscus flower students. So let us start. Now, here students, when we will talk about hibiscus flower, especially when we will talk about reproductive system, we are having two things. One is androecium and other is gynoecium. Androecium is consist of filament and anther. Filament and anther. When we talk about gynoecium, gynoecium is consist of style, stigma, and ovary. Stigma, style, and ovary. I'll tell you what is style, stigma, and ovary. I'll show you each and everything here. Like you will able to see. Students, when we will talk about hibiscus flower, when you will go to buy this flower, most of the time you will get this type of flower. You will not get the original one. This is hybrid one, students. This is hybrid one. You can see many petals are there. Now, what is petals? I'll explain you, students. Students, first I'll take. See, you can see hibiscus flower in bird form. It is little opened up, and this is the completely developed flower is there. I'll show you again. This is in bird form. This is a little open one, and this is complete hibiscus flower is there, students. So let's see the different parts of the hibiscus flower. When you will see this in bird condition, you can see green color leaf-like structures are there. You can see, students. I'll just bring it little closer to you. I'll try to show you more clearly. See, you can see, students, two layers are there. One small layer is there, and the other little bigger layer is there. Green color, even green color, we are having two layers, students. You can see this. Is it visible to you, students? Is it visible to you? Say yes or no. If it will. Now, this green color part is called as calyx. This is called as calyx. When you will see here, one stick-like structure is there. It is called as pedicel. It is called as pedicel, students. Now, when you will see red color structure, it is called as corolla. Corolla is also called as petals, students. It is also called as petals. Now, when we talk about petals, see, I have removed some petals to show you. Students, when you will talk about a hibiscus flower, you will count. When you will count the number of petals, you will see 5 petals are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 petals are there, students. You can see 5 petals are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 petals are there, students. 5 petals are there. But when you will go and buy hybrid variety, you will get many petals are there, students. So you will not get confused that here sir told only 5 petals and here there are many petals. No, it is not like that. We are having 5 petals, but when we will talk about hybrid varieties, there are many petals are there, students. I'll just bring it closer to you and I'll show you the different parts. Students, when you will see here, sit properly. You can see here yellow color stick-like structures are there around, right? You can see here, students. And these yellow color structures are on a stand-like structure, stick-like structure is there, and it is called as filament. It is called as filament. So we are having anther and filament. Anther and filament. Now at the top you can see, students, red color velvet-like structure is there. Velvet-like structure is there. You can see this is called as stigma. Stigma, there are how many stigmas are there here? 2, 2, 4, 5 stigmas are there here, you can see. Sometimes it will be little less or more, no need to be worried, but it is stigma. Stigma is connected with a pipe-like structure. When you will see, I'll just cut it, I'll show you how the stigma is connected. Here at the base inside, ovary is there. And this ovary is connected with stigma by the means of a pipe-like structure. It is called as style. Are you getting? Stigma, style, and ovary. When we'll talk about this anther is having yellow color. uh, uh, I'll just touch the. See, you can see my finger, yellow color dot like structures. You can see, students. You can see. This is on anther, students, and it is called as pollen grain. It is called as pollen grain, students. This pollen grain, when it falls on the stigma, it gets stuck. See, you can see. Now you will able to see. When I'll touch it, it will get stuck with the stigma. You can see. You can see, students. See, now stigma is showing you a little yellow color structure. You can see on stigma. When I'll touch here pollen grain, and when I'll touch the stigma, it will get stuck to the stigma. Now what happens once it will fall on stigma, it gets embedded, it enters inside the stigma, and it passes through the style, and it reaches to the ovary. It reaches to the ovary. I'll just remove the petals. These petals, see, these far petals, I'll remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, and far petals are removed. Here I'll remove this structure also. I'll just remove this. I hope you must be doing same thing with me. See, I have removed this. See, students, now we are going to cut, and I'll remove this and I'll show you the style which is there inside this. Just a second, students. For this purpose, we are having a complete dissection box. Students, you can see this. This is called as dissection box. This is called as dissection box. Here we are having different instruments with the help of which we can cut and we can remove the style, and I'll show you. First, I'll use this pin. Just a second, students. I'll remove this. You can see, students, how I am doing. You can't see? Yeah, Smith can see. Smith, I'm going to upload this video on YouTube. You will able to see it number of times. See, I have removed this. Just a second, students. I'll remove it very gently, otherwise it will get broken, and then I'll not able to see how it is connected with the ovary. See, just a second, students. So you can see how it is connected, how this style is connected by the see, stigma is connected through the style to the ovary. This bottom one is called as ovary, students. Here ovary, you can see ovary now. Just a second, students. See, ovary is there, style is there, stigma is there. Stigma is connected by the means of tube-like structure which is called as style to the ovary. Inside the ovary, what is there, students? Inside the ovary, female egg cells are there. Female egg cells are there. I'll just cut it. I'll remove the egg cells and I'll show you how it is. Now, just a second, students. I'll use this knife. I'll use this knife. Just a second, students. You can see. See, divided in two parts. I'll just press it. When I'll press it, the egg cells will come out. See, you can see egg cells are coming out. You can see, students. Just a second, I'll take it on my finger and I'll show you. See, you can see, students, egg cells. So white color egg cells are there inside this ovary. These egg cells are getting fertilized when pollen grain enters inside this ovary, students. When pollen grain gets enter in this ovary, pollen grain fertilizes the egg cells, and then the further formation of zygote take place, and the new flower, new plant is going to be developed. So this is this is all about our practical, students. We have completed with the practical. Now this is done, students. Thank you very much.